Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I made a vending machine with my friends at school because we are so bored, we have nothing to do, so we made this squishy vending machine at school. My teachers gave me to do this. This take us 2 days to make this. And enough talking, let's get started. So, this is what the machine looks like. Sorry, there's tape thing around here, so that's a mechanism to show you later. So here's the cardboard. It's a dry purse cardboard. My friend just gave it to me and my friends. So here's the instructions, and it says instructions. Number 1. Wait, let me get a better angle. Put RM2 in the coin slot. Number 2, pull and push the squishy button. Turn the fat squishy knob. Get your prize. Have fun. So this is actually the squishy button. It's not supposed to be called button, but I don't know what it's called. And this is the fat squishy. So cute. My friend drew it for me, and this one too, right top here. So it looks perfect. And my friend wrote this happy. She brought this at home, and she just put this plastic and decorate and put this and put that. So correct this out. Okay, so enough talking. Let me show you how do you use it. So I have 2 ringgit. If you are from Malaysia, you know these money. So here I go. So it needs 2 ringgit. So we have 50. It's 50. It's totally 50. So put in there. And another 50. It fits, you know. Get in there. We have a 10. A 10. A 20, a 20, a 10, a 10, and a 20 to get in there. Okay, so next you pull. Hopefully this emoji thing falls. It's actually a plushie. It blends in. Yeah. So get in there. It's making me mad here. Okay, let me show you how to do this. Nearly in. Okay, get in there. Okay, it fell the other side. Oh well. It's so impossible. Get in. Don't fall. Don't fall. It fell there and again. There we go. Now we push it back in. Sorry if it's broken or something. It's because of my friends. Okay, let me just, enough talking. Let's just turn this fat squishy knob. It's not going down. Get down there. It's too big. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just, can you guys see that? No, maybe not. Let me just take a light. I'm so sorry guys, I can't find a light. But the emoji is right there. So spooky. Okay, let me just, you guys can see it. Twice touch, oh my gosh. It's so impossible. That emoji is like looking at you while you turn that knob. Oh my gosh. Emoji, come down here. You're naughty emoji. Very naughty emoji. There we go. Come out. I got the prize. Sorry it takes too long. Well, let's try the second try. Okay, let's just say this is a 2 ringgit. I'm too lazy to put chewing it inside. That knob isn't turned. Okay, so I want either of those. No, both of them. So one of them will be the mechanism. Okay, stop. I'm being too crazy. So first, I put this in. Hear that? And let me just shake it till one of them goes to that thing you see right there. Okay, the bread got it. Okay, good. So now we pull and push. Make sure it gets into the bottle. Not like before. It didn't. Before it didn't get in. That's a bit of shame. So we turn this 300 degrees and we get the prize! Yay! So excited. So lastly, the mechanism. Let me show you the mechanism. Mechanism, that is. Let's go for the mechanism. So we open this right here, this part, and we gotta open right here so you can see how the coins. You get the coins here and you can see the mechanism. So first, we have this imagine to ringgit. So first, let me just show you. I'll put this one right here while you guys look at the slide. The coin. See that? It drops down. Can't see it because it's too dark. Okay, that's better. Let me try and show you again. Okay. There. You guys can see that. So let me show you the other. So this is the other side. After you put the coin and you just, you shake it around until the squishy gets on here. That you can see closely. And then you can see from down here, you pull this and it drops down. Okay, get down there. Okay, you're not supposed to go there. Let's imagine. Hold on. Get to the other side. My goodness. Where is that squishy? Okay, here it is. I got it. Make sure it's in there perfectly, and we just close this back in. And we twist this fat squishy knob 300 degrees. And you get the prize. And it's so cool. All these squishies are not that slow rising. Take note, this is not a squishy. This is a plushie and it's hard. So yeah. Let me just close it. So at the top here we can refill the squishies. There's a hole here to stick your finger in and just pull it. So yeah, this one right here doesn't have that. But this one has that, but it's handy. And you can refill it so you can see my hands. You can just, fix it a bit. The bread squishy. Sorry if I didn't show you a lot of squishies because I don't have a lot of squishies in my collection. That's why I use a plushie there. So that's the refill. So you want to get inside there. You guys can't see. I know. You guys can't see. It's weird looking. So let me just get a good angle from the light. Okay, you guys can't see. You can only see the plushie. Not the bun. Okay, kind of. And the plushie, the bread. And so, yeah. This is so cool. I like it so much. Help to my friend. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please give a like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Special thank you to my friends for helping me to make this beauty of this vending machine. I really appreciate from them for this hard work. They must be tired than me. Well, and I appreciate for them to use money for this. Well, the cardboard is actually free for my friend. Well, the glue is, by money. That's it. So, yeah. And I really like it. It took 5 ringgit to buy us because we bought 2 glue. The Ohu glue, the like a super glue. One of them is 2 ringgit 50 cents. Very expensive at school. My school bookshop sells that, and I appreciate that. But it was still 5 ringgit, and it have done all this for just 5 ringgit. 5 ringgit, guys. 5 ringgit. So yeah. Bye. Hope to see you later. Bye.